Now, one last problem with these logic gates. We usually want to connect them together, which will allow us to create even more complex circuitry that can do something like addition, multiplication, division, or maybe even remember information. But the problem with that is we're building these logic gates out of switches. Switches need a physical force for them to activate. So these logic gates need physical forces as inputs, but then they produce electrical signals as outputs. So we can't just connect an electrical signal to a physical force. So we need to change the inputs of these logic gates somehow so that they can take electrical signals as inputs. Now the solution is to actually change the underlying circuitry. Instead of using switches, we want to use these. These are called transistors. Focus, bitch. This is a 2N2222 A331 transistor that I bought from AliExpress. So a transistor is just an electrically controlled switch. The collector goes to +5 volts, the other side goes to ground, and the middle pin is called the base. The base is what determines if the transistor will close the switch or leave it opened. Now this solves our problem. If you made it this far, you're done with the circuitry. In the next and final part, I'll teach you the little basics to get you ready to start building your own stuff.